Well, I'm very happy to present you the catalyst I'm leading. It's called Connected Citizens, a smart city enabling digital platform. It's a partnership with a couple of different companies coming from all the different continents, ForgeRock, Civimetrics, Bearing Point, Globitum, and Infosim, and with their sponsor, the champion of NTT, Métropole Côte d'Azur, Saint-Quentin, Team Côte d'Azur, and of course Orange. This catalyst talks about how we can really foster the engagement of the citizens in the city with lots of different digital services. And the catalyst is not a digital service, it's an enabler of digital services. What we have developed from last year, last year it was the first early stage of the technical components of this catalyst, is really to talk with cities. 10 cities last year were working with us to understand what are the concerns, what are the really needs for smart and digital services for smart cities. And on top of that, we have built some kind of capabilities to really help smart cities to be more and more smart and really address all the problems of citizens. So the vision is really to have a platform, which is a digital in the cloud platform, addressing problems of cities to engage citizens and to provide to service providers a way to build really the applications on top of the APIs, to build a new business and to be really efficient with the public services and the citizen awareness. So 5 real components for the business. One is really the APIs, thanks to the frameworks and the APIs, open APIs for the TM Forum, which enables us to be completely interoperable and really enabling all the development of applications for that kind of services. Second component is really applications, apps on smartphones, applications for business to enable this kind of services. The third one is the way we can really stimulate the citizen engagement. It's really important that today we are in partnership with the citizens and not only providing and ordering citizens to have some kind of behavior, but really have their full engagement to enable smart cities to work well. Of course, we are working with lots of very state-of-the-art technologies. We'll talk about the blockchain, of course, IoT, big data, data privacy, security, a long list of systems and also applications, including all the network and the SDN and NFV facilities. That's where the Catalyst has a big strengths. But we won't be able to really propose on the market something interesting, quite real-time, real-life operating, without the survey, the study of a new business model. So that's also part of what we have done that year, working on the business models. So 3 big streams we have built since the beginning of this year, since Cash, the Action Week in February. Technical stream, operational stream, and also business streams. I will start with the business streams, which is about how can we really monetize and really share the business between all the different tenants of the platform. Tenants are, of course, the public services, the citizens, the municipalities, all the providers that are today delegates from the service, the public services, and also all the business companies around in the territory. That's important to have this approach, not to be only on the, let's say, traditional approach of investing for this kind of platform. We have based that these business models, because there are lots of business models that are potentially able to enable the use case. We have built this business model on use case, and we have a long list of use cases. Today we just, let's say, profile 6 or 7 use cases, and they are all visible in the booth here in Nice during this week, this Digital Transformation Week. Second stream we are working on is really the technical one, And as you can see on the slide, it's really a big one, complex platform, which is completely on the cloud, with all a long list of applications, a long list of functions, all inside a border which is the API portal. This API portal, made from the Open API from the TM Forum, is really the key function, technical function, that allows us just to be the enabler in the middle and not only a platform like many others. So really we are an agnostic platform, APIs in the middle, to build the city as a platform model for all the smart cities. And the last one stream we have built is a bit about operations. We think that in the next future, or maybe next year, we will be operating a couple of implementation in the world. We are already talking with, of course, La Ville de Nice, Saint-Quentin, and also Austin in the Canada. And we hope that in the early months of next year, we will be able to really implement and run this platform. So we need to really start talking about operations, talking about how can we provision the services, how we can monitor the services, and do all about service assurance on the fields. So that's really the content of the Catalyst this year: technical, business models, and operations. I pass the floor to Kevin.
So throughout this phase of the Catalyst, we work closely together with cities, including the city of Saint-Quentin, the Métropole de Nice-Côte d'Azur, businesses, service providers, and citizens, to find out what their digital needs and problems truly are. We knew that we needed to hear these needs. Indeed, we knew that we needed to act on them. That is why we created what we call the collaborative catalyst of all talents, where we create and use an interconnected web of business, technical, and operational skills to create this smart city enabling digital platform that addresses all the needs and problems of the cities, citizens, businesses, and service providers. It is now our new mission to put what we were talking about into action and get it out in the world by collaborating with cities all around the globe.